All right, we're gonna try something new. We're gonna try a new way of shortening a bed on a C10. I've never seen it done this way. Most of the time, people will just make 2 vertical cuts, cutting 8 inches out of the back of the bed and 12 inches out of the front of the bed. But we're going to make smaller cuts and re-wrap the metal so that we don't have to have the big weld that goes through the middle of it. Looks like it's time to tear it apart.
So we're going to be ripping the bed apart. Told you we're going to be putting it into 2 different pieces. Flip it up on some sawhorses. We'll make our marks and we'll get on it.
Won't stop fighting to the very end. Many men try to reach it, many men have failed. Well, if you wanna get to heaven, you gotta raise a little hell.
All right, let's cut it up. Today we're going to be doing a lot of cutting and trimming on this long bed, making it into a short bed. Hopefully it'll all turn out well. This is a brand new thing for me to try. I haven't had anyone tell me that they have seen someone do it this way before, so maybe I invented something, I don't know.
Will you find me? Hope you find me. When the sun rises.
All right, so we have our 2 lines here. The line here on the left is going to be our cut line, and the line here on the left is going to be our bend line. So you see it's a little crooked on the left-hand side. That doesn't matter because we're actually going to trim it up a little tighter, and that's where we're going to fold it over, and it'll be inside the bed. You'll never see it. Over here, because I'm out of tape, we just have our bend line here on the left. You can see the white line, that's going to be our cut line. Again, it doesn't have to be absolutely perfect. We are going to try and mimic, you see that little line right here going along? We're going to try and mimic that.
Yeah, oh my Lord, watch me sway. Darkness falls and we all pray, hoping for the light of day. Down to the river, I have held the devil's hand, felt the weight of my own sin, burdened by the heart of man. Down to the river, down to the river. Oh, bury me, carry me, oh, far beneath, oh, fire and water me, going down deep. Say,
All right, well, there's basically our finished product. Got a little more welding on the front of it to do. And it looks pretty much just like the original bed, other than I'm missing a stake pocket right here. But we'll put that in. And I saved the majority of the original paint. You can see here there was some Bondo or something where someone had repaired it. Other than that, I think it turned out pretty good. I'll weld up the front. No one will be able to identify it real quick. Hey, just an update on the rules for the 69 Chevy C10 giveaway. I've had a lot of people tell me that they're not going to refer friends over because that reduces their chance of winning. I agree, it does reduce your chances. So I have a new little twist. Anybody you refer over, if you have them put in the comment section that you referred them over, for each person that subscribes, gives me the thumbs up, and makes a comment, they will be entered, and an additional entry will be for the person that referred them over. But it's up to them to refer you. So let's just pretend like maybe I know somebody named Ozzy. If Ozzy refers over Fred, and Fred puts in there, hey, Ozzy referred me, Ozzy, you get another entry in. I think it'll help out. Brandon, say hi to the camera.
How you guys doing?
You subscribed for my YouTube channel?
I haven't yet.
Oh, I'll tell you what. When this airs, if you haven't subscribed, I'm not working on your truck anymore. Deal?
I'm doing it. Deal.
All right.
Deal.